Hey everyone, it's Mabube. Have you ever been completely enchanted by a film? So engrossed in the story that you forget you're even learning? That's the magic we're going to bottle today. We're diving into the world of English cinema, not just as viewers, but as active learners. Get ready to transform your movie nights into exciting English lessons. All right, grab your popcorn and settle in. We're about to embark on a unique journey through the world of film, but with a twist. This isn't just about watching a movie, it's about truly listening and immersing yourself in the language. This first viewing is all about immersing yourself in the soundscape of the film. Let the sounds, the music and the dialogue envelop you. Feel the emotions conveyed through the actors' voices and the background score. Don't worry about understanding every single word just yet. It's perfectly fine if some phrases or sentences fly over your head. The goal here is to get a feel for the rhythm and flow of the language. Just let the rhythm of the language wash over you. Imagine you're listening to a new song for the first time. You might not catch all the lyrics, but you can still appreciate the melody and the beat. Think of it like listening to a beautiful piece of music for the first time. You don't need to know every note or instrument to enjoy it. The same goes for language. Let the sounds and intonations create a tapestry of meaning in your mind. You appreciate the melody, the instruments, the overall feel, even before you learn to name each note. Similarly, with language, you can appreciate the nuances and emotions conveyed through speech without understanding every word. As you listen, pay attention to the way actors pronounce words, the intonation they use, and the emotions they convey. Notice the subtle changes in their voices that indicate different feelings or situations, and the natural pauses in their speech. These pauses and intonations are crucial in understanding the natural flow of the language. They help you grasp the rhythm and pacing of conversations. You're training your ear to become familiar with the music of English. This auditory training is essential for developing a natural understanding of the language. Over time, you'll start recognizing patterns and common phrases. It might feel a bit strange at first, like navigating a new city without a map. But remember, every new experience comes with its own set of challenges. Embrace the unfamiliarity and trust the process, but trust me, this step is crucial. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your language skills. Just like a mentor guiding a student, this initial immersion will guide you towards fluency. It primes your brain to absorb the natural flow of the language. Your brain is incredibly adaptable and will start picking up on the nuances and patterns of English as you continue to listen. Remember, even the most accomplished linguists started somewhere. They too had to go through the process of familiarizing themselves with the sounds and structures of a new language. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand everything immediately. It's a natural part of the learning process. Frustration is just a sign that you're pushing your boundaries and growing. Each viewing is a stepping stone on your language learning journey. With each film, you'll find yourself understanding a little more, catching more words, and feeling more comfortable with the language. Now sit back, relax, and allow the film to transport you. Let go of any pressure to understand everything and just enjoy the experience. Let the sounds of English work their magic. Allow yourself to be fully present in the moment, absorbing the language in a natural and enjoyable way. You might be surprised at how much you absorb just by listening. Over time, you'll find that your understanding and appreciation of the language will grow, making each viewing a richer experience. Welcome back. We're thrilled to have you join us again on this exciting journey of language learning through the magic of cinema. Now that you've experienced the film's essence, it's time to delve deeper into the intricacies of the language. Watching a movie is not just about entertainment, it's a gateway to understanding the culture, expressions, and nuances of a language. This time, turn on the subtitles, but with a twist. Instead of merely reading along, engage with the text actively. Subtitles are a powerful tool that can transform your viewing experience into an interactive learning session. Instead of passively reading along, make it an active treasure hunt for new words and phrases. Keep a notebook handy and be ready to jot down anything that catches your ear or eye. When you encounter an unfamiliar expression, pause the movie. This moment of pause is crucial. It allows you to absorb and reflect on what you've just heard. Jot down the word or phrase in a notebook. Consider this your personal lexicon of cinematic English. This practice not only helps in memorizing, but also in understanding the context in which the word is used. Look up the definition, but don't stop there. Dive deeper into its usage, pronunciation, and variations. Understanding a word fully means knowing how to use it in different contexts. Explore the nuances of its meaning. Words often have multiple meanings and connotations, and understanding these can greatly enhance your language skills. Are there any synonyms, antonyms, or idiomatic expressions related to it? This exploration will help you see the word from different angles and understand its versatility. The more you investigate, the richer your understanding becomes. Each word is a piece of a larger puzzle, and the more pieces you have, the clearer the picture. Remember, language is not just about memorizing words, it's about weaving them into the tapestry of your vocabulary. Each new word you learn is a thread that adds color and texture to your linguistic skills. As you repeat this process, you'll notice a remarkable shift. Your vocabulary will expand, and your confidence in using the language will grow. Words that once seemed foreign will start to feel familiar. You'll find yourself recognizing them in different contexts and using them more naturally. You'll begin to anticipate their usage and even guess their meaning from context. This predictive ability is a sign of true language mastery. This is the magic of active listening combined with focused vocabulary building. It's a dynamic process that keeps your brain engaged and makes learning enjoyable. You're not just watching a movie, you're unlocking the treasure chest of the English language. Each viewing session is an adventure filled with discoveries that enrich your understanding and appreciation of the language. Chapter 3. Mirror, mirror on the screen, perfecting your pronunciation. Now that you're armed with a growing vocabulary, it's time to find your voice. This chapter is all about embracing the power of imitation. Remember how, as children, we learned by mimicking the sounds and speech patterns of those around us. Well, consider this your chance to channel your inner child and learn by copying the masters of the spoken word, the actors on screen. Choose a scene with particularly clear dialogue or a character whose accent you find intriguing. Rewind and replay specific lines, paying close attention to the way actors pronounce each syllable. Focus on their intonation, the rise and fall of their voice, and try to replicate it. Don't be afraid to exaggerate at first. Think of it like practicing a musical instrument. It takes time and repetition to achieve fluency and precision. Record yourself speaking the lines and then compare your pronunciation to the actors. Identify areas where you can improve and keep practicing until the words roll off your tongue naturally. Chapter 4, From Script to Reality, Using Your Newfound Phrases. Congratulations, you've officially graduated from passive viewer to active speaker. Now the real magic begins when you take those newly acquired words and phrases out into the real world. Remember that notebook where you jotted down all those intriguing expressions? Consider it your secret weapon for injecting your everyday conversations with a touch of cinematic flair. Instead of saying goodbye, why not try a more dramatic farewell or a casual catch you later? The key is to use your new vocabulary as soon as possible while it's still fresh in your mind. Don't be shy to experiment. The more you use these words and phrases, the more natural they'll become. Think of it like wearing a new outfit. At first you might feel a bit self-conscious, but the more you wear it, the more comfortable and confident you become. So go forth and sprinkle your conversations with your newfound linguistic gems. You'll be amazed at how quickly your fluency and confidence soar. Chapter 5. The end is just the beginning, making it a habit. You've reached the final chapter, but this isn't the end. It's just the beginning of your exciting journey to English fluency. Think of this as the launch pad for your continuous growth and improvement. Every step you take from here will bring you closer to mastering the language. Remember, learning a language is like embarking on a grand adventure. It's filled with new experiences, challenges, and opportunities to grow. Just like any adventure, there will be highs and lows, but each moment is a chance to learn something new and exciting. There will be moments of triumph and times when you might feel a bit lost. It's important to recognize that these feelings are a natural part of the learning process. Embrace the challenges as they come and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. The key is to stay curious, stay persistent, and most importantly, stay playful. Curiosity will drive you to explore new words and phrases. Persistence will help you overcome obstacles, and playfulness will make the learning process enjoyable and less daunting. Don't let the process become a chore. If you find yourself getting bored or frustrated, take a step back and find ways to make learning fun again. Use games, songs, or even movies to keep your interest alive. Choose films that genuinely interest you, ones that you would enjoy watching even if you weren't learning a new language. Explore different genres that spark your curiosity, whether it's action, comedy, drama, or documentary. Each genre offers unique vocabulary and expressions that can enrich your learning experience. Pay attention to actors whose voices resonate with you. Mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and expressions. This practice can significantly improve your speaking skills and help you sound more natural. Make it a regular habit to incorporate movie nights into your learning routine. Invite friends or family to join you, making it a social and enjoyable experience. Set aside dedicated time each week to watch, listen, repeat, and most importantly, use your new language skills. Consistency is key to making progress. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each new word learned, each phrase uttered with confidence is a victory worth acknowledging. Keep a journal of your achievements to remind yourself of how far you've come. Practice speaking with confidence. Whether it's in front of a mirror, with a friend, or in a language exchange group, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Each time you speak, you're building your confidence and fluency. Acknowledge these moments as significant milestones in your journey. Remember, the most fluent speakers are those who embrace the journey with passion and a sense of adventure. They see each challenge as an opportunity to grow and each success as a step closer to their goals. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. Your journey to fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every step of the way, and you'll find that learning a new language can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. Outro, that's a wrap. Now go forth and speak. And that's how we turn movie nights into English lessons. Remember, the most effective learning happens when we combine enjoyment with focused effort. So grab your popcorn, choose a film that excites you, and get ready to transform your living room into your own personal language lab. Watching English movies is a powerful and enjoyable way to boost your language skills, provided you approach it methodically. First, watch without subtitles to immerse yourself in the sound of the language. Then turn on subtitles to pinpoint new words and phrases. Practice repeating lines to refine your pronunciation, and crucially, use your newly acquired vocabulary in everyday conversation as soon as possible. By combining entertainment with focused learning, you'll see significant progress in your listening, speaking, and overall English proficiency. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a film, remember, watch, learn, repeat, and then use what you've learned.